welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys a brand new video on my nails. So I'm obsessed with doing my nails at home, and I feel like I wanted to share with you guys another little thing that I found on Amazon, and I feel like this is a must share because it's so cute. So I do my nails, I do my nails at home, and I have been doing them ever since quarantine. And I did do another video previously before just showing you guys how I do it. So if you guys want like a more in-depth of how I do my nails, that's it. But this one I want to go more into detail about these gel polishes. So these are, let me just show you guys. So these are Born Pretty gel polishes. Look at this packaging, guys. Very sleek. I love this company's name, Born Pretty. I will make sure to leave the links down below on this particular gel set and the company. It's an Amazon seller, so you guys could definitely check it out. They do have more products. So once I open it, it just opens like this. Here are the polishes. So really love this. And then look at this packaging, guys. So I'm just gonna grab one right here. Yes, it's like a gold top, very pretty, and gold right here, and it just says Born Pretty. And then the names of the polishes are right in the back right here. They are jelly. So pretty much jelly means that they're kind of more on the transparent, almost clear looking side, and I think that's just a really pretty look. Now let me share with you guys the swatches that I have here to explain. This is about 3 coats, depending on the kind of hue that you would like. So as you guys could see, I do have all of them right here. I know you guys may think they look the same, but they're not, trust me. So I did try to organize them from a lightest shade to a little bit more pink shade. So they have a variety of nude and pinks, and I feel like these are so pretty. I love the way they look, and I feel like they look so elegant, and I love the jelly look. So pretty much I did swatch a 4th swatch up at the tops. Like pretty all of the tips here have a darker hue because I added another coat, and then the other ones down here, just like half of the nail, is 3 coats. I did do the middle shade color because I felt that one was the cutest to try out. So I'll share with you guys my nails. So pretty much I decided to go with like a foggy rose quartz type of look, and this is how the colors look like. They're so pretty. I just have that base on all of them, and this is how they look. Alright, so here I'm gonna take my gel polish and look at how it looks. I really like this color, so that's why I'm doing this gel color first. Here I'm applying just the first initial layer. As you guys can see, it's a very smooth application. It's almost very clear looking, just with a hint of color. I really like the consistency of it. It's not too thick, not too thin, and I feel like it goes on very well on my nail. And here I'm adding a 2nd layer, so I did want to kind of test how each of the layers look like. So the 2nd layer definitely adds a little bit more color. Here I'm just adding a 3rd and final layer. I did want to do 3 coats just so it could look a little bit more less transparent and just a little bit more of a hue. So this is how my nails turned out. I really love them. I love the way they look. I'm a big fan of the jelly transparent gel color just because it makes it look fancy and clean, and I really love the way they make my nails look. I did do some designs over top and added some gems. I really love how they turned out, and I feel like the rosy tint really enhanced it with the gold flakes, which is why I did kind of like a rose quartz marble effect, and I feel like it just looks so well with this jelly transparent color, and I will definitely be using the rest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!